Hello, English learners from all around the world. I am Sara, and I'm thrilled to start this new journey with you. Learning a language is like making a new friend. It takes time, care, and a lot of talking. Speaking of friends, I want to introduce you to my best friend in the whole world. Everyone, meet Buddy. Buddy is not just an animal, he is a member of my family. He is a dog, but do you know what kind? In English, we call the specific type of dog a breed. Buddy's breed is a golden retriever. Can you say that? Breed. Great! Let's look at Buddy closely and learn some descriptive words. Look at his fur. His fur is thick, long, and golden. It feels very smooth when I pet him. And look at his tail. It never stops wagging. When a dog wags its tail, it usually means they are happy and excited. Buddy has 4 paws, a cold nose, and very floppy ears. He is a medium-sized dog. He isn't small like a Chihuahua, and he isn't a giant. He's just the perfect size for a hug. Now let's talk about his personality. Every dog is different. Buddy is extremely affectionate. This means he loves to show love. He follows me from room to room. He is also very obedient. When I say sit, he sits. However, Buddy can be a little bit mischievous sometimes. Last week, he chewed on my favorite running shoes. Do you have a dog that chews on shoes? It is a very common habit for young dogs. Before we finish today, let's review 3 important words we used. First, companion, a friend who spends time with you. Second, loyal, a friend who always stays by your side. And third, gentle, being calm and kind. Buddy is my loyal companion, and he is very gentle. What about you? If you could have any animal in the world as a companion, which one would you choose? A brave lion, a fast horse, or maybe a smart parrot? In our next episode, we're going to talk about the power of dogs. We will discuss why having a dog at home changes your life. Don't forget to practice the words we learned today. Write a sentence about Buddy in the comments to practice your English. I'm Sara, he's Buddy, and we'll see you very soon. Goodbye!